go to Ferris wheel. I want to go to Ferris wheel.
When you get big, you're going to go on the Ferris wheel? Yeah. What else is going to happen when you get big?
I got big in the hospital.
You're going to go to the hospital? Yeah.
I'm going to born my baby.
Oh, and born your babies?
I go to Ferris wheel.
Yeah. Is your body still growing big? Yeah. Are you going to get big and tall like Mommy and Daddy?
I'm not big enough yet.
Nope. Are your brothers going to grow bigger?
Yeah.
No, you don't think so? You think they're going to stay babies forever? Do you want to know something? Someday they're going to be your size. They're going to grow big like you. Do you think that's true?
No.
Yes, huh? Hunter's going to be a big boy, and Spencer's going to be a big boy. Yeah. Look, they're already growing out of their jammies.
I go on my jammies.
You're growing out of your jammies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going with Tinkerbell.
Oh, yeah.
I go with Belle. I go in Belle.
Yeah.
I go my Belle and
What are you going to be when you're a big girl? What do you want to be?
I am the big one.
Yeah, that's right.
Big boys. Big boys do on the big house.
Yeah, the big boys came to play at your house, and the big girls? Do you like it when they come to play? Yeah.
They got chips.
Oh, and you got chips.
And then sandwich.
Yeah.